Press System menu counter. Press the arrow keys to go, edit destination. Press OK. Press the arrow keys to go, address book. Press OK. Press menu. Press the arrow keys to go, add address. Press OK. Press the arrow keys to go, contact. Press OK. Press Edit. Use the numeric keypad to enter contact name. After completion, press OK. Press the right arrow key to go, fax number. Press Edit. Use the numeric keypad to enter fax number. After completion, press OK. Press OK. Setting successfully.